Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3. This week we're talking about sourcing the product, which is a business term for getting the product from creation to the consumer. And if you are delivering a service rather than making a product, you can just fit service in where we say product. So the two topics this week are brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and then affiliate and drop shipping. Let's start first with brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. In the traditional business model, you would have manufacturers who create the product, wholesalers who purchase from the manufacturers and sell to a retail store, and then customers would go to the store to purchase the product. The internet has flipped that model around a little bit, and in some sense has done away with it, where manufacturers will create the product and then they'll sell it directly to the consumer, or wholesalers will purchase the product from the manufacturer and sell it directly to the consumer. Brokers have been the ones who are the deal makers between manufacturers and wholesalers and retailers, etc. And so in the past, a manufacturer had the expertise to create the product. A wholesaler was usually had more of an expertise in shipping and logistics, inventory, and then they would sell to the retailers who were experts in marketing. You have an opportunity to be involved really in any of these in your business model. You can manufacture a product, you can be a broker, and especially in the next topic, we'll talk specifically about being an affiliate or drop shipping company, which is really just a broker, or a wholesaler. Really, there's a lot of ways you can influence this process, whether or not you create a product or service, or just work with someone else's product or service. So this topic will require you to read another case, again, very similar to what you've done in the past, but it will add an extra component, which is fairly important, called the quantify and compare spreadsheet. This video is going to walk you through how to do that. And this link are the written instructions. I'm going to show you the written instructions. I'm going to let you watch this video for most of your instructions. I won't spend 10 minutes as this video does. It goes in depth. There's a reason it goes so in depth. This is a crucial skill that we will use numerous times in this course, this quantify and compare spreadsheet. It's a great tool to have for business in general, but it's something we will use numerous times in this course. So I really want to draw your attention to it. This down here is what you will create, and so the video and the written instructions walk you through how to create a matrix like this in Excel, where you have 3 options. The example here has 3 different restaurant ideas, and then you have weights where you have different components. In the restaurant example, you might weight taste, promptness, how quickly you get your food, and price a little differently depending on what's important to you or what you think the consumers will want. And then based on the ranking you give each, so Joe's Barbecue gets a 7 for taste. It's the tastiest, but it takes a long time to make, so it's kind of slow, and it's also expensive. We'll give you a weighted total. So you give a rank to each of these components along with your weights up here. Now that's really valuable information to have, and especially when you put it together, it'll give you the totals and then it will rank each one. So Joe's Barbecue comes in 3rd because its weighted total is the lowest. It ranks highest on your least weighted category. So yeah, I only put 25% on taste, and that's what Joe's Barbecue is best at. That's not going to help it as much in the long run. So take some time to look at this, because this setup is what we will use numerous times in the course. Down here is how you, step by step, how you put that into Excel to get this outcome. Now I'm going to let the video explain that in more detail. I'm really just trying to draw your attention to it to make sure you understand how important that is. So you will submit both a Word document with your analysis questions answered and a quantify and compare spreadsheet with at least 2 alternatives and 3 criteria. You will also have a discussion board on that. Again, very similar to last week. I won't go in there because the instructions are the same, except for a change in the initial discussion question. But you'll notice the 2 links there. Your initial post is due January 23rd. Your follow-up replies, 2 follow-up replies to your classmates are January 25th. Just a reminder that those need to be significant posts. So we're looking for 4 sentences and something that meaningfully contributes to the discussion. So let's go to affiliate and drop shipping. I mentioned these 2 as business model options. What's remarkable online is that there's so many people creating products or services, and because there's so many, you can become a very popular destination by simply marketing for them. Under the affiliate and drop shipping models, what you'll do is you will form an agreement with these companies, and you will create a website, and then you'll put their products on your website so that when people purchase those products, you get a commission. The difference between affiliate and drop shipping is important. Affiliate marketing, you're just a marketer. You have a website and you will put their products on your website, but when they click on those products, they will go to the manufacturer's website and they will finish the experience there. So you are just a portal to get to that company. Drop shipping is where you will have their product on your website again, but the customer will actually check out on your website. The customer feels like you are the destination, and someone else may manufacture it, but they're creating a business relationship with you. They're purchasing from you. That gives some advantages. You can usually set the price a little bit more on drop shipping. Affiliate marketing, you can't set the price, and so you just take whatever the commission is. But in drop shipping, you're probably going to handle the customer service side of it, where if something isn't shipped correctly, they're going to come to you instead of the company it ships from. Under drop shipping, you take them all the way to purchasing the product. You don't actually ship it. When they purchase the product from you, you then have a link, so it goes back to the manufacturing company. Typically, they'll ship the product and take care of it. But as I said, the customer believes it's you, so you're handling the customer service component of that. So you get a little bit more control over the price under drop shipping, but the cost is then you have to handle the customer service piece. So this will be a Word document based on this case and a quantify and compare spreadsheet. Again, there's a lot of additional information about affiliate and drop shipping because many of you will choose this model for your business. It's a very, very common approach to online business, affiliate and drop shipping. You'll have a discussion board about that, and then a weekly reflection. Again, as a reminder, that's on a blog. You're encouraged to have a free blog for that, and you'll write a short bit every week, and you will copy and paste that into here, and as well as the URL. So that's it. Please reach out if there's any questions about week 3. We're now getting into our more standard weeks where we have 2 topics, 2 discussion boards, and then your weekly reflection. Thanks, everyone.